Home economics is best described as the study of. The correct answer is B. Managing the home and family resources. Number 2. Which of these is not a branch of home economics? The correct answer is D. Political science. Number 3. The main aim of home economics is to dash. The correct answer is B. To promote good living in the family. Number 4. Home economics can be studied as a dash. The correct answer is subjects and a career. Number 5. Which of these professionals studied home economics? Which of these professionals studied home economics? The correct answer is D. Both A and C. Question number 6. A family that consists of father, mother, and children is called dash. The correct answer is nuclear family. B. Number 7. The extended family includes dash. The correct answer is B. Parents, children, grandparents, uncles, and aunties. Number 8. Question number 8. One of the functions of the family is dash. The correct answer is A. Providing love and care. Number 9. Question number 9. Which of these is not a type of family? The correct answer is D. Political family. Question number 10. The head of the family in most societies is usually the dash. The right answer is father. Question number 11. Which of these is not a basic need of the family? The correct answer is television. Question number 12. Food is important because it's dash. The correct answer is A. It makes us strong and healthy. Question number 13. The 3 basic needs of the family are. Question number 13. The 3 basic needs of the family are. The correct answer is shelter, food, clothing. Question number 14. Clothing protects us from dash. The correct answer is weather conditions. Question number 15. Shelter is important because it's dash. The correct answer is B. It provides safety and comfort. Question number 16. Which of these is a bodybuilding food? The correct answer is beans. Question number 17. Foods that give energy are called dash. The correct answer is B. Energy giving foods. Question number 18. Fruits and vegetables are examples of dash. The correct answer is protective foods. Question number 19. Carbohydrates are found in dash. The correct answer is yam, rice, bread. Question number 20. Lack of food nutrients in the body leads to dash. The correct answer is malnutrition. Question number 21. The art of making clothes is called dash. The correct answer is tailoring. Question number 22. Cotton, silk, and wool are examples of dash. The correct answer is natural fibers. Question number 23. Nylon and polyester are examples of dash. The correct answer is B. Synthetic fibers. Question number 24. Which of these is not a reason why people wear clothes? The correct answer is for shelter. Question number 25. Let me repeat. The type of dress worn by people in a society is called their dash. The right answer is B. Fashion. Question number 26. Home management means dash. The correct answer is A. Taking care of the home and its resources. Question number 27. Which of these is an example of a family resource? The correct answer is all of the above. Question number 28. Good home management brings dash. The correct answer is A. Peace and happiness. Question number 29. One of the skills needed for good home management is dash. The correct answer is planning. Question number 30. An example of time waster at home is dash. The right answer is watching too much TV. Question number 31. Sewing machine is used for dash. The correct answer is B. For sewing clothes. Question number 32. Kitchen equipment includes dash. The correct answer is B. Knife, pot, spoon. Question number 33. Which of these is a perishable food item? The correct answer is C. Tomatoes. Question number 34. Which of these is a non-perishable food? The right answer is C. Rice. Question number 35. Which of these is not a kitchen safety rule? The correct answer is B. Play with sharp knives. Question number 36. To preserve leftover food, we should dash. The correct answer is C. Store it in the refrigerator. Question number 37. Good table manners includes dash. The correct answer is washing hands before and after meals. Question number 38. Which of these is not an item of clothing care? The right answer is hammer. Number 39. Which of these is used for ironing clothes? The correct answer is B. Iron. Question number 40. Proper waste disposal at home helps to prevent. The correct answer is A. Accidents. Question number 41. Sweeping and mopping the floor are part of dash. The right answer is B. Housekeeping. Question number 42. Which of these is not a method of preserving food? The correct answer is D, eating. Question number 43. A good house should have proper dash. The correct answer is ventilation. Question number 44. Which of these is a cleaning agent? The correct answer is B, detergent. Question number 45. Neatness is important because it dash. The correct answer is it makes one healthy. Question number 46. A person who studies home economics can become a dash. The correct answer is all of the above. Question number 47. Which of these is not a career in home economics? The correct answer is accounting. Question number 48. A dietitian works mainly in dash. The right answer is A, hospital. Question number 49. A fashion designer mainly works with dash. The correct answer is B, clothes. Question number 50. The study of food nutrients and their uses in the body is called dash. The correct answer is C, nutrition. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do now so that you'll be able to get our helpful tips of food and nutrition and home economics and then nutrition experts advice. See you in the next class.